There are exactly two serious gaming tablets worth your attention right now, and they both landed within months of each other packing the same Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip. That should make this an easy comparison. It doesn't, because once you dig past the spec sheet, the Redmagic Astra 2 and the Lenovo Legion Tab Gen 5 make almost opposite bets on what actually matters in a gaming tablet. And depending on which bet you make, you could end up either saving real money or regretting your purchase in 6 months. Let's break down exactly where they differ and which one deserves your money. Astra 2 is the flashier device, full aluminum frame and back, RGB lighting, IP54 splash resistance, and that transparent rear panel showing off the liquid cooling. It weighs 363 grams and measures a slim 6.9 millimeters thick. Legion Tab Gen 5 goes for a cleaner, more understated look, available in Eclipse Black, Glacier White, and a FIFA edition. It's slightly heavier at 360G, actually nearly identical weight, but a touch thicker at 7.6 millimeters to accommodate that bigger battery. Edge, tie, but it depends on you. If you want your gaming tablet to look like a gaming tablet, Redmagic wins easily. If you want something that could pass as a regular tablet in a meeting, Lenovo's the pick. Legion Tab Gen 5 brings an 8.8-inch 3K LCD panel, 3040 by 1904, 165 Hz, up to 750 nits peak brightness with HDR10 and 98% DCI-P3. It's sharp, bright, and genuinely great for competitive gaming with that high touch sampling rate. Astra 2 counters with a 9.06-inch OLED, 2.4K resolution, also 185 Hz, and it hits 1600 nits peak brightness. OLED means true blacks, better contrast, and more vivid colors out of the box, plus that 185 Hz refresh rate edges out Lenovo's 165 Hz. Edge, Redmagic Astra 2. OLED versus LCD isn't a close fight for most people. Unless you specifically need the extra sharpness of Lenovo's 3K resolution, the Astra 2's panel is just more satisfying to look at. Both run the same Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, so raw CPU and GPU performance should land in the same neighborhood. The difference is how each device keeps that chip cool under sustained load, because that's what actually determines whether you get flagship performance for 5 minutes or 5 hours. Legion Tab Gen 5 uses Lenovo's cold front vapor cooling system, a vapor chamber design that Lenovo claims improves heat dissipation by 32% over the previous generation. Astra 2 goes further with Aqua Core Cooling System 2.0 and Liquid Metal 3.0, an actual liquid cooling loop you can see moving through the transparent back panel. Redmagic also adds a dedicated Red Core R4 chip that offloads GPU tasks to keep things smoother during extended sessions. Edge, Redmagic Astra 2. Gaming tablets live and die by sustained performance, not benchmark peaks. Redmagic's dual-chip approach with visible liquid cooling is a more aggressive, more effective solution here, and it's arguably the tablet's signature feature. Legion Tab Gen 5 starts at 12GB RAM and 256GB storage, scaling up to 16GB and 512GB in most markets, with China variants reaching 24GB and 1TB. Crucially, it has a micro SD slot, expandable up to 2TB. Astra 2 offers the same 12GB RAM and 256GB storage starting point, up to 16GB RAM and 512GB storage globally, with higher-tier China configurations. No card slot here. Edge, Lenovo Legion Tab Gen 5. The micro SD slot is the deciding factor. If you're building a serious game library, expandable storage without paying flagship prices for onboard space is a real advantage. Astra 2 brings DTS-X Ultra 3D audio, dual 1620 speakers, and dual X-axis linear motors for haptic feedback, plus a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Legion Tab Gen 5 has dual speakers with Dolby Atmos support and Lenovo's AI Engine Plus software suite, which optimizes in-game audio, applies AI noise cancellation for voice chat, and adjusts touch sensitivity in real time. Edge, Redmagic Astra 2, mostly for the haptics. The linear motors add a layer of immersion Lenovo's software tricks can't fully replicate, though Lenovo's AI features are a nice practical touch for online multiplayer. Neither of these is a camera-first device, but for the record, Astra 2 has a 13-megapixel rear and 9-megapixel front camera. Legion Tab Gen 5 steps up with a 50-megapixel rear camera, though a bigger sensor here mostly translates to occasional document scanning, not photography anyone's choosing this tablet for. This one's not close. Legion Tab Gen 5 packs a massive 9,000 mAh battery, one of the largest you'll find in any tablet this size, charging at 68 watt. Astra 2 comes in at 8,300 mAh, still large with charging up to 75 watt globally through dual USB-C ports that support simultaneous charging. Edge Lenovo Legion Tab Gen 5. That extra 700 mAh matters over a long gaming session, and Lenovo's battery-to-body ratio is genuinely impressive for an 8.8-inch device. Astra 2 starts at $699 for the 12GB RAM and 256GB storage, $799 for 16GB RAM and 512GB storage. Legion Tab Gen 5 starts noticeably higher at $849.99 for its base 12GB RAM and 256GB storage configuration. Edge Redmagic Astra 2. A $150 gap at the entry tier is significant, especially when the Astra 2 arguably wins on display and cooling too. So who should buy which? If you're chasing the best possible gaming experience for extended sessions, want a display that actually pops, and don't want to overpay, the Redmagic Astra 2 is the smarter buy. Its OLED panel, liquid cooling system, and lower starting price make it the more complete gaming tablet dollar for dollar. If battery life above everything else is your priority, or you need expandable storage for a massive game library, or you just prefer a tablet that doesn't scream gamer the moment someone sees it, the Lenovo Legion Tab Gen 5 earns its higher price tag. That 9,000 mAh cell and micro SD slot solve real practical problems the Astra 2 doesn't address. Both tablets prove the same point. Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 is an incredible mobile chipset, but how a company builds around it, cooling, battery, display choice, is what separates a good tablet from a great one. For most gamers prioritizing performance and value, Redmagic takes this round. For power users who live off one charge and need storage flexibility, Lenovo's the safer long-term investment. Let me know in the comments which one you're picking up, and thanks for watching.